Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to transfer money from your SafePal wallet to your PayPal account. Since SafePal is a crypto wallet and PayPal mainly accepts fiat currency like USD or EUR, you can't send funds directly, but I'll show you the correct and safe method to move your crypto money into your PayPal balance. Let's get into it. First, open your SafePal wallet app and check your crypto balance. Identify which cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. You'll be converting this crypto into cash before it reaches PayPal. Next, you'll need to use a crypto exchange that supports both your cryptocurrency and PayPal withdrawals. Popular exchanges that work for this include Binance, Coinbase, or Crypto.com, depending on your country. Now, go to your chosen exchange and log in or create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're in, go to your wallet deposit section and copy the deposit address for the same crypto you're sending from SafePal, for example. Your Bitcoin address if you're transferring BTC. Head back to your SafePal wallet, select the crypto you're sending, and tap Send. Paste the deposit address from your exchange account, and double-check it carefully. One wrong letter could send your funds to the wrong place. Enter the amount you want to transfer, confirm the transaction, and wait for it to complete. Once your crypto arrives in your exchange wallet, it's time to sell it for your local currency. Go to the Trade or Sell section, choose the crypto you just sent, and convert it into fiat like USD, or after your sale is complete and your balance updates to cash. Go to the Withdraw or Payout section of your exchange. Select PayPal as your withdrawal method, then enter your PayPal email address. Confirm the details and complete the withdrawal process. It might take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of business days for the funds to appear in your PayPal account, depending on your exchange and location, and that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your SafePal wallet to PayPal by converting your crypto into fiat currency through a trusted exchange. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto and finance tutorials, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover PayPal crypto transfers next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.